Is your online business worried about sensitive data being stolen? You will need SSL certificates to encrypt sensitive information. How does it work? SSL certificates help users to keep their website safe, protect the browser-server communication, and encrypt their visitors' sensitive information over the internet. It ensures data security and privacy, which makes your customer trust your business. Get a digital security certificate now with IT Company. It is much easier to buy, manage, and renew SSL certificates with IT Company. Not only that, but we can assist to install the SSL certificate for you. We can generate CSR, set up SSL, and handle the complete approval process for your domain name to install single, multiple, SAN, or wildcard SSL certificate. Reach out to us now to keep your information secure.